Hey, all you little dummies out there. This is the head big dummy. I'm gonna do a quick fire up on this sumbitch, so you can hear before and after the exhaust. My favorite part about the motor is the transmission gears are straight cut, so it gives you that fucking lovely whine. And of course, the fucking got the Guzzi rock. And all the little chickie babies out there love that Guzzi rock. Alright, let's fire up the fucking V7. Now, guys, when you shut your fucking bike off, do it with the key. Don't use the fucking kill switch. That's only made for emergencies. Alright, bitches. Let's fire up this beast. Agostini. You got the whine of the fucking transmission and the motor, and then you got the fucking rumble of the Agostini exhaust. That puts any fucking Harley Davidson to shame. When I pull into parking lots and shit, man, people are fucking turning they're breaking their necks looking over to see this fucker coming in when I rev the motor. Because you got the whine of the fucking motor and the tranny, and then you got the fucking rumble. And it don't get no better than that shit, boys. Fucking bitches ready to rip. Alright, head big dummy signing out. Later to all you little dummies. Later.